How to fix FPL verification code not received. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix FPL verification code not received. Now, if you are not receiving your verification code on the FPL email, then what you want to do is open up your mailing application. If it is Gmail, open up Gmail. Now you want to tap on the three lines and then tap on the spam option. Sometimes the mail might go in the spam, which is the reason why you're not receiving the email. So you want to check if the email is in spam. As you can see, the email has been found in spam. Once you find it on spam, you want to tap on report not spam option. Additionally, you also want to set Premier League as a safe sender in your settings. Once that is done, you should receive the emails from FPL with the verification code easily. Now, if you are not getting the FPL verification code on your messages, then you want to open up your settings, tap on apps. Now tap on messages. Here, you want to tap on the storage option. Now you want to tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and make sure all the data has been deleted. After that, you want to tap on the notification, and here if the notification is not allowed, you simply want to toggle on the notification. Now you should be able to receive the verification code via email or via message, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.